Morning students, now today I will tell you chapter 1 Maps and Globes Directions. Today study a map we need to know the directions. Now there are 4 directions, north, south, east and west are the 4 main directions are cardinal directions. If we stand facing the map, the 4 main directions on a map are, when we are seeing this map, top of the map, this is the north, bottom of the map is south, right side is east and left side is west. Is it clear? A map always shows the north direction marked N. Once we know the north direction, it is easy to find other direction. एक बार जब हमको पता चल जाता है नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, तो दूसरे डायरेक्शंस को फाइंड आउट करना वेरी इजी हो जाता है, बहुत ही इजी. देयर आर सब डायरेक्शंस नाउ. नॉर्थ ईस्ट, north west, southeast and southwest. This is the northeast, is southeast, southwest and northwest. Now scale of a map. Every map has a scale. The scale looks like a ruler. It is simply a horizontal line marked off in miles, kilometers or some other unit of distance measurement. A scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. By using the scale of a map, we can tell the actual distance between 2 points. Since actual distance between places cannot be shown on the map, actual distance जो होता है हम map पे नहीं show कर सकते हैं, we use smaller units to represent them. Now here, if the actual distance between 2 places is 1 mile, we may represent it on the map with 5 cm. Thus, the scale of the map may be 5 cm is equal to 1 mile. Conventional symbols. Some conventional symbols are also there. A symbol is a drawing line or dot that stands for something else. For example, black dot represents cities, circle stars represent capital cities, and different types of lines represent boundaries, roads, highways and rivers. Now here's some, you can see some, these are the some conventional symbols you can see. Now the color. Sometimes colors are used as symbols on a map to share information. Different colors are used to show different things on the map. Now, on a physical map, the color scheme followed is, now the blue color is for water bodies, green is plain areas, brown for mountains, yellow is for desert, dark yellow or light brown plateaus. Map all over the world follow a common scheme of colors. A map usually has a legend or a sky key that gives the scale of the map and explaining what the various symbols represent. Thank you. I hope you will understand it.